Imagine you sell, let me use this advantage again. That's the closest thing to me right now, right? You sell this pen for $10, right? But then you say, if you buy up to 100 units of this pen, you can now start buying this pen at $9.50. But only people who have bought up to 100 of these pens can enjoy that special price. You can't just show up today and buy this pen at $9.50. Another thing you can do is, if you've been our customer for up to 3 months, and you have bought up to 100 pens, then you can unlock that special price. By adding a time condition and a volume condition, what it means is that you can't just have somebody who comes into your business, buys 100 pens, and expects to enjoy the special price. They still have to wait for 3 months. So you want that time so you can build a relationship with these people. So even if a person buys up to 100 pens, they have to wait for 3 months to unlock special pricing. Or even if you only buy 2 or 3 pens at a time, it might take you 6 months or a year to buy up to 100 pens. As long as it is more than 3 months, then you can unlock that special pricing. What this does is that it gives people a strong incentive to keep buying from you, because they can get a price that will give them an advantage that they cannot easily get anywhere else. Most of your customers that are not, most of your competitors that are not thinking with retention in mind will just insist that our price is $10. Whether you buy now or whether you buy next year or you keep buying from us is our standard price. We really don't care. That's for somebody who is not thinking of retention. But if you are thinking of retention, you give the person a reason to keep buying from you, unlock a special price, and stay at that price. You can even include an expiry for the special price. If you are buying at our special price and you've not bought from us within 30 days or 60 days, your special pricing cancels and you have to start building up again. So what that does is it makes people keep you front and center of their mind. Even if they want to buy from somebody else, they know that it's better for me to buy here so that I can keep growing my points, I can keep growing my standing, right? In terms of, when it comes to terms, special terms, look at Amazon, for example. They have this program called Prime, Amazon Prime. It's a subscription program where you pay Amazon a particular amount every month or so, and you get terms that normal customers cannot get. If I want to buy a product on Amazon, I want to buy 2 pens from Amazon. Amazon will give me their standard delivery time. Their standard delivery time may be 3 days, 7 days. I have to wait for 3 days to get my delivery. But if I am a Prime customer, a customer who is on that subscription, a long-term customer, their loyal customer, you can get same-day delivery. They prioritize their current customers, their existing customers, over maybe first-timers. So you can build something such that your loyal customers get priority level service. It can be in terms of when and how you attend to them. It can be in terms of when their items are delivered to them. It can be in terms of price, like I've just mentioned. You can include things that tempt people, will incentivize them to keep buying from you, because there are things they can enjoy from you that are not easy to get. Imagine somebody who waited 3 months to enjoy your special pricing. It's not something they want to easily give up, because if they come back, they have to another 3 months. It doesn't make sense to them, right? So special pricing and terms. Another important strategy is personalization and customization. If you're interested in learning more about the topics I offer when it comes to starting, building, and growing a business, this is your opportunity to join my community. It's known as the BMG. I provide extensive courses on different topics and challenges that afflict business owners, from how to optimize your profits, how to manage costs, how to boost your sales, how to develop processes, how to scale your business. There's a whole lot that I can teach you. If you want to go deeper into my content, this is your chance. Go to the link on your screen right now, jointhebmg.com.